How vending machines work. Vending machines are surprisingly complicated for devices mainly associated with snacks and occasional disappointment. Modern machines track inventory, process digital payments, regulate temperature, and manage product dispensing automatically. Which means many vending machines are basically compact retail robots quietly standing in hallways. So today we are going to walk through how vending machines actually work and how automated retail systems deliver products reliably. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Vending machines automate product sales. Mechanical and electronic systems manage dispensing. Payment systems authorize purchases automatically. Chapter 2: Product storage systems. Products are organized inside compartments or spirals. Storage systems vary depending on product type. Machine layouts maximize space efficiency. Chapter 3: Coin and bill validation. Traditional machines accept coins and cash. Validation systems detect counterfeit money. Mechanical and electronic checks improve accuracy. Chapter 4: Digital payment systems. Modern machines support cards and mobile payments. Wireless payment terminals process transactions securely. Cashless systems became increasingly common. Chapter 5: Product selection controls. Users select products through buttons or touchscreens. Control systems interpret selections digitally. Machine software manages purchase logic. Chapter 6: Dispensing mechanisms. Motors rotate spirals or activate release systems. Products drop into collection areas automatically. Sensors verify successful dispensing sometimes. Chapter 7: Refrigeration systems. Cold drink and food machines include cooling systems. Temperature control preserves products safely. Energy efficiency remains important. Chapter 8: Inventory monitoring. Some machines track inventory digitally. Operators monitor stock remotely. Restocking routes become more efficient. Chapter 9: Security and anti-theft systems. Machines contain locks and monitoring systems. Tampering protection reduces theft risks. Cash handling requires additional security. Chapter 10: Smart and connected vending machines. Modern machines connect to wireless networks. Remote diagnostics support maintenance. Advertising and analytics became integrated features. Chapter 11: Mechanical reliability challenges. Dispensing failures remain common engineering problems. Machines must handle many product sizes reliably. Maintenance remains critically important. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Vending machines automated small-scale retail globally. Digital payments and connectivity transformed the industry. Automated retail systems continue expanding. To wrap up, vending machines work by combining payment systems, product storage, dispensing mechanisms, refrigeration, and electronic controls into compact automated retail systems. Motors and sensors coordinate product delivery while digital systems handle transactions and inventory tracking. Modern connected vending machines increasingly operate as smart retail platforms. Automated product dispensing became a widespread part of everyday commerce infrastructure. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.